So the time had come to part with one of my lovely Yamaha 125s. But would it be the YZF-R 125 or the MT 125? So I decided to keep the MT 125, and it was the YZF-R that would be moving out. So I started looking online basically. Stumbled across the SUPERBIKE Factory and I seen this glorious Honda CB 500F. So I sent our salesperson some images of the YZF-R, some crucial details, and a deal was struck. So he sent me a video, walk around, showing me all the faults. There was a little scuff on the right hand mirror, couple of little marks down here, nothing major. Beautiful bike. So time to get the YZF-R up to my work. Being early December, I opted not to ride it up. It was a bit Baltic, salty and icy and stuff. So I manhandled it into my van. So here's a ball ache. They won't deliver my new bike to my work, they'll only deliver it to my house. So I have to then take the R125 down to the house so I can leave the new bike there. And then because I can't ride the new bike, I'm going to have to fucking roll it back into the van again, up the planks, myself, backwards like this, which is a bit tricky, just to bring it back up here again. Ugh, the joys folks, the joys. So moving out day is here. Got it home again. Gleaming, so it was. And here's the very nice guy who delivered it on behalf of SUPERBIKE Factory for me. Have a quick look around. Admire it in the flesh for the first time. Yeah, I think I'll keep it. I've made the right choice. It's exactly as described, pictured and videoed. You can't really go wrong these days. Service book was there as well.
Right, no worries, pal.
Right, that
You're
was easy.
welcome.
So you can pay the man an inning because it's all paid.
It certainly is. Right.
Can you manage that out yourself?
Oh,
Alright.
I might be out there. Cheers, pal.
So there she is, all mine. So here's the fun and games. I realised pretty quickly that there was no way I was pushing this up the planks backwards, so I can get it out easier at the other end. So I opted to try and push it up. Gave up with that pretty quickly and opted for a bit of clutch control and a running engine, obviously. It's a bit daunting doing this stuff, if I'm honest, but it was worth it. I couldn't ride, didn't have my licence, so I was only riding on my CBT. But there we go, we got it. Whoop whoop. Well, here she is. Managed to get her up to my work. It's about a mile away from my house. And unfortunately I had a little incident where some plonker hadn't quite strapped it in properly and she fell over on me. So we're missing one of these mirrory things, but not to worry. I love it. I can't believe how mint it is for what is a 5-year-old bike, despite it only having just over 3,000 miles on the clock. So finally I got my full licence so I could ride the CB500F, and it's been awesome. It's a great bike, smooth as anything. I wash it, I ride it, I service it, fill it with fuel. It's amazing. So would I recommend buying a bike from SUPERBIKE Factory? Well, in my experience, definitely. And I think I will so again one day. So I've covered around 3,700 miles on this, and it's been a pleasure. Just rolled out here for a cold start, and all good. Take care. Cheers folks.